Hey there, I'm Elle Rottinghouse with Zips. Today I'm going over all that's included in the GUNIWHEEL, GuniHub, and Wheel Kit. The universal GUNIWHEEL is a temporary wheel that allows for mobility during a recovery, repair process, paint job, and even long-term storage on classic or recreational vehicles. For your kit options, you can choose from a single, 2-pack, or 4-pack. Included is the GUNIWHEEL, your choice of 45 or 45S, and the GuniHub, with the safety locking pin and 4 GuniHub nuts and washers. However, if you choose the GUNIWHEEL 45, you'll need to acquire the spacer to clear oversized brake calipers separately. The GuniHub is beneficial for situations where a wheel can't or shouldn't be rotated, but you need to load it onto a car carrier, for example. It works exclusively with the GUNIWHEEL 45 and 45S, or an OEM wheel or spare with a 5x112 bolt pattern. Save money by purchasing these items in a kit rather than individually. If you want to know more details about the GUNIWHEEL or the GuniHub specifically, you can find those video links in the description below. Shop for GUNIWHEEL at zips.com.